But yeah, I'm very excited to meet my grandparents in October. I'm gonna meet them for my grandma's 80th birthday. Oh, it's gonna be in Sanya, by the way. It's not gonna be in Changchun.
Okay.
So I don't think you can go.
Yeah.
Because it's further and like smaller space.
Okay.
Yeah. Like you have to get a hotel if you come, and that's not fun.
Okay.
You have to live at our house to be fun. So next year.
The song is funny though.
This song is funny. Hello, Inu. What's the Hong Kong channel called? I've never heard. China trip, Tars. Yes, we're doing it next year. That's our plan. I think we can do it. Okay, would you guys want to see a tour of our Airbnb? I wish we could still go out tomorrow night.
Okay. We did what we wanted to.
Okay.
We can eat at like bistro. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I tried to stream at the jazz bar, but no connection outside. And then on my way back home, I tried to stream, no connection. We're using Wi-Fi right now. So Tao Hong Kong. So Tao. So Tao. What is it?
I want to take a shower.
You can right now. Right there. So Tao. What is that?
One viewer. Oh yeah, that's like
The
live
news.
TV.
Live TV. Okay.
It's just us viewing it.
Interesting. Is my Wi-Fi
Are the
good?
beds comfy? Oh.
Dude, the bed's so comfy. I actually asked the Airbnb owner what the brand of the bedding is.
I don't know if let me check.
Wi-Fi is great. Your girlfriend went to Heilongjiang.
No response.
I want to go to Heilongjiang. It's so cold there.
So where?
Right next to Changchun. Hi. Hi. Back from dinner. Back from dinner. Hello. My friend doesn't speak Canto. My friend doesn't speak Canto. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sweet garage.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sweet garage.
Now, okay.
Now, let's keep going, but
Kind of wrap it up.
let's keep going, but
Actually, it's kind of
I
hard
wrap
to
it
wrap
up.
it up. I have like
actually it's kind of hard to wrap it up. I have like
What?
stacks of clothes on my
I
bed.
don't want to drag this
but
on for too long.
I don't want to drag this on for too long.
I'm just gonna. Oh, double sound.
I just want to. Oh, double sound. Oh, sorry. Yeah. 我熄咗啦。Forgot to turn it off. I'm moving. Oh my god. So today's stream I've just been like clearing things out. You know. And right now we're doing clothes. This is my apartment in Hong Kong, yes. With my family. Hello, Ahi. Master. Yeah, I'm with my family of 4. Okay. I was going for here. Like, okay, this is where I left off. Before dinner, I was talking about this dress. I'm so full now. I have a little baby. But yeah. Dude, this is so cute, right? But it doesn't look flattering. It doesn't look that good. I don't know. It's probably my posture or something. I hunch. It's so cute. Goddamn. I don't know. Should I keep it? Hello, 陳包. Yeah, I'm getting kicked out by my landlord. 我頭先食咗牛扒飯、菜同埋南瓜，好食。我聽晚都諗住食牛扒咯，點知我媽今日都整牛扒。You don't know about this dress. You're not convinced about it. How was the dinner, Finam? Yummy! Hi, Finam. This dress for Germany. Yeah, it's a very Europe dress. But like the dress itself is pretty, but I don't feel like I looked good in it. Like, okay, I took a bunch of photos in it in Europe. I can show you. Maybe it's because I'm more a long sleeve girl. I meant to wear long sleeve. Like, okay, I cannot find one photo that looks good. Probably. Possibly. So for thinking. Okay, I'll keep it. It's a very vacation dress. For sure. I like it though. I like all white. I'm so wearing everything white right now. Okay, next. Hi, Lonely. Yeah, am I blurry right now? I don't think so. I think. I don't know. Better? Oh, stop falling, please. Master! God damn. God damn you! Okay, we did it. Oh! Oh! Fuck. Okay, we did it for real this time. Oh! Okay. Keep going. Oh, this is the skirt. I like this skirt. I like it. Cute skirt. Keep. Let me recheck. It's very puffy. I love it. Okay, this one, I think I'll toss it. Or sell it. This hat, I don't like it like that. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah. This is not it. I don't like it. I don't like the 2-string. I sell it. If no one buys, I donate at the end. Yeah. That's right. They look big. I mean, look at what I'm wearing right now. They're not big. Okay. Okay. All of these are like very important dresses. Do I have a lot of dresses? I feel like I do. What is this one? Oh, this one's a little too short. This one. Look. It's a full dress. Well, no, I'll keep it. I'll keep it. I like it. Yeah. It doesn't go to my ankle. It goes to like middle of my calf. But I think that's okay. I think that's the style we're going for. Yeah, it looks nice. I just gotta find the right shoes. Okay, I have some fucking really cute pajamas. Whee! But I don't live alone, so I don't wear it. I used to wear these when I lived alone. But I'll keep it. It's really good. This one though, this one is not that good. I'll try to like get rid of this one. This one is nice, right? This is nice. I lived alone in college. It's so comfy. It's so cute. It's like, what is this? Silk. But then it's not really silk. It's not real silk, I don't think. But it's comfy. It's really soft. Spicy pajamas. It's just cute pajamas. I wear cute stuff. Okay, where do I put this? Okay. Next up. Oh my gosh, I have this hat. I haven't worn it for a long time, but I used to wear this. I have a bucket hat. Well, I have to like kind of take my ponytail off though for full effect. But I guess it's not really my style now. But you like it, right? It's good. It's really good. It's not my style now though. Yeah, it's definitely not my style. Get rid of it. Oh my god, I have another one. I don't wear bucket hats. But this is good. This is good for like a little picnic. Like, you know. This is good with like, with my hair down. Thank you, sweet. I'll keep this. It's the basic. It's getting moldy. Or is that just my sweat? Why is it yellow? Why is it yellow? Why is it yellow inside? Excuse me? My head is big. No! It's because I have a ponytail on! God damn, Alfred! Damn. Yeah, place is really humid. It's the mulch! It's mulch, bruh, from like not being touched for too long. That's what happens to you. If you're not touched for too long, you're mulch. I can't even donate this, dude. I have to get rid of it. The fuck? Mulch. It's okay if stuff sits around too long, get moldy. It's just not meant to be. And I have this. There's also a beach hat. Do I need a bigger one? Is my head too big? It's not that cute. I feel like. Or I need to take off my hair. Yeah, I don't like it. Get rid of it. Okay, I have this. For the winter. I like this though. I keep this. That one provides shade. Ugh, but it doesn't look too good. Look good. I'll keep it. I'll keep it. I should bring this to the beach. It's a lint. It looks like a spider. Is it a spider? Ah! Ah! Spider or lint? What the fuck? Bite it to find out. Bro. It's lint. But it looks so much like a spider. What the fuck? It still looks like a spider to me right now. I cannot process. Okay. Let me think. I just need to like style it really nicely with. Yeah, it is good. It is a really good dress. Job interview? No, it doesn't look like a job interview skirt. It doesn't look like an office skirt. Cannot. No. Oh, what do I wear it with? Sweater. Yeah, I have an idea.